Assalamu alaikum dear student. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Bilal Hussain, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear student, today our lecture number 24 and SW number 23. And our topic is exercise 2.3 question number 15. Exercise 2.3 question number 15. Okay, at first we read the questions properly. You see, this is taken from your book, page number 41 and exercise 2.3. Exercise 2.3. Okay, A and B together can do a work in 16 days. A and B together can do a work in 16 days. B and C together can do it in 12 days. That means the same work A and B together can finish in 16 days and B and C together can finish in 12 days. And A and C together can finish, or A and C together can do in 20 days. That means A and C together can finish that work in 20 days. Now question, in how many days can A, B and C together do that of work? Okay? Look, now I will start the solution. Look right here. In 12 days, in 16 days, A plus B together can do, in 16 days A plus B together can do one part of work. One part of work. One part of work. In fraction, one part of work, that means the whole part of work. Therefore, in 1 days, A plus B together can do less part, that means 1 by 16 part of work. Now see the second part, B and C together can do it in 12 days. Now write, in 12 days, B plus C, you see, B plus C together can do one part of work. One part of work. Okay? Therefore, in 1 day, B plus C together can do less part, that means division, 1 by 12 part of work. Okay? You see the last part, A and C together can do in 20 days, right? In also, right, in 20 days, A and C, you see, A plus C. A and C, that means what? A and C together can do in 20 days. 20 days. That means A plus C together can do one part of work. One part of work. Okay? Hence we can write, in 1 day, A plus C together can do 1 by 20 part of work. Okay, now if you see here, here is A plus B, here is B plus C, that means B plus B to be A and here is A. Okay, you see A plus B, B plus C, A plus C. That means A plus A, 2A, B plus B, 2B, C and C, this is 2C. Okay, now write, hence in one day 2A plus B, 2A plus B plus C, that means all together A plus B plus C together can do 1 by 16, 1 by 12 plus 1 by 20. 1 by 20 part of work. Part of work. Okay, that means you do the LCM at first. 16, 12, 20. You have to do the LCM. You can do the rough 16, 12 and 20. You do the rough 2, 8, 6, 10. Again you choose 2, 4, 3, 5. Okay. Now do LCM. LCM equal to what? 2 into 2 into 4 into 3 into 5. Look, 2 to the 4, 4 plus are 16 into 15. 16 into 15, this is equal to what? 240. Okay, you multiply, then you get 240. Okay, dear student. I have got here, hence in one day 2A plus B plus C together can do etho part of work. Okay, this means what? I have got the LCM is 240. Now you have to divide 240 by 16, then you get what? Okay, you have to divide now 240 by 16. 16 ones are 16. Now you have to subtract 14 minus 6 equal to what? 8. Okay. Now, okay, that means we have got here 15. Now write here 15 plus you divide 240 by 12, then you get what? 20, right here 20, then you divide 240 by 20, then you get what? 12. Now 12 ones are 12, right here 12. Part of work. Okay, then write now addition 502, that means 7, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4. Right here 240. Part of work. Okay, dear student, you look carefully. In one day, 2A plus B plus C, that means all together, A, B and C together can do etho part of work. Therefore, you can write in one day A plus B plus C together can do how part? That means together can do less part. Less part, that means what? Division. We write like this way, 47 by 240 into 2 part of work. Part of work. Okay. Now right here 47 by 8. Okay. 480 part of work. Right here part of work. That means we have got in one day A plus B plus C, that means all together can do 47 by 480 part of work. I hope you understood up to this. Now we have to proceed according to the questions. Okay, now you see the question. Again you see the question. You see the question. In how many days can A, B and C together do that of work? That means you have to determine the days. Okay. So according to the question we have to write days in the right side. Okay. Okay. Right. 47 by 480 part of work. A plus B plus C can finish 47 by 480 part of work. A plus B plus C can finish in how many days? 1 day. Right here 1 day. Okay. Look, I have written this line in converse way. Look, 47 by 480 part of work A plus B plus C, that means all together can finish in 1 day. Okay. Now one part or whole part, right? One part, that means whole part of work, A plus B plus C can finish you see here A plus B plus C, this is the C. One part or whole part of work A plus B plus C can finish in, according to the mathematical law, this is the division. Okay, right? That means 1 division what? 1 division 47 by 480. 47 by 480. Right here days. Okay. This is division, so we need conversely write 1 into 480 by 47 eto days. This is equal to what? 480 by 47 days. Okay. You see, this is the improper fraction 480 by 47. This is the improper fraction. Okay. So we have to need this in the mixed fraction. Okay. Now if we mix fraction this, then we get what? 10 47 days. Okay. You can see the graph here 47 480 1 0. We cannot divide, so you take 0 for 0 0. Okay, that means we can write 10 by 47 days. Okay, dear student, this is our record result 10 by 47 days. Now I want to talk with you about our SW topic. Okay, you see the SW number 23, question number 16. A cistern has two pipes. A cistern, that means like a tank. Tank has the two pipes. How many pipes? Two pipes. The first and the second pipes can fill the empty cistern in 12 hours. That means the first pipe can fill up the cistern in 12 hours and the second pipe fill up in 8 hours the cistern. Then the question, if both pipes are opened together, if the both pipes are opened together, then time will be less. Then how much time will the empty cistern need in order to be filled? Dear student, this math and which I have solved, that math are related. Okay, so like this way you solve question number 16. Okay, dear student, I hope you understood. Dear student, your Russian SW is very, very important for you, because on the basis of submission of your SW copy, you will get your city marks, SBI marks and diary marks. You have to submit all of your SW copies on every Sunday within 8 AM to 4 PM, and you collect these SW copies on next Sunday. Guardians or anyone else can collect or submit these SW copies. Dear student, I hope you understood today's discussion. You have to keep practicing at home, and you stay safe, stay well. See you again.